Alright guys, so I kind of made a goof. I was trying to back up data on my PS3 using this hard drive. Now this hard drive here is not formatted for FAT32, so I was unable to move data over. I then went into the Windows Manager and tried to create a new partition for this drive, which was successful. But during that I ended up clicking on the wrong kind of settings, and so I accidentally changed what was my active drive. Now I use Windows 7 on my machine. But I do have an older hard drive in the computer that was my Windows Vista hard drive. Now I can't seem to get the hard drive to boot. I wonder if maybe I can change it here. Here's the funny thing. I used my boot manager and I booted into my old Windows Vista. This hasn't been booted up in over 2 years. I didn't even realize. I thought this thing was corrupted to hell. Apparently it's still working. It's funny because it still has my old 1680 by 1050 resolution where it doesn't actually fill my screen. I've got this much more screen here on the end. So yeah, I was convinced this thing was wrecked to hell, but apparently it still works. So so I guess I'm gonna try and navigate through and see if I can fix my Windows 7. I don't know what the heck I did. I chose to activate. I set my external drive as my primary active drive, which was apparently the very, very wrong thing to do. So now I gotta fix that. But in the meantime, I can still use Windows Vista, so that's kind of neat. Yeah, whoops. I guess I'll try and fix it now.